back to the kitchen. Today we are with the beautiful Chelsea Cardwell, the host of I Do, the Ultimate Wedding Show. And today Chelsea's going to teach us how to keep everyone at the wedding happy. What are we doing today, Chelsea?
Yeah, so here we have a Bloody Mary bar. And one great thing about doing a Bloody Mary bar is you can have a ton of options so that everybody can make it theirs and everyone's going to be happy.
I don't think I have ever seen this much stuff. This is a whole meal in a glass.
Absolutely.
I like that.
And that's kind of the fun of it, is you can add anything you want and make it huge. So you want to get started?
Yes, yes.
All right, so I'm going to hand you the vodka.
Okay.
And if you want to start with the base, then we can kind of walk through all the different options we have.
I grab a glass because that helps.
Right.
And you're going to pass me the ice.
Yep.
It's kind of hot today.
It is hot. You definitely need one of these. All right, so one great thing when you're planning a Bloody Mary bar is you can make it all your own. Literally anything. It's so fun. So what we have here is we have shrimp, we have pickles, we have pepperoni, we have carrots, tomatoes, cheese, we even have donuts. So you can make something that is sweet and savory. You can make something super hot. You can make something even like Asian inspired and add soy sauce to it.
Typically put what, about an ounce and a half of vodka in a Bloody Mary?
To start.
To start. It depends on your day, right?
Right, exactly. Now, the funny thing is about Bloody Marys, I feel like, is if you ask anybody, everybody likes it differently. So that's one of the benefits of having this. I like it almost tasting like tomato soup with vodka in it. Awesome. So how we get started is we make our base, right? So you chose just the generic Bloody Mary mix, right?
I like them pretty spicy, but you know.
Okay, well, why don't you make yours spicy and I'll make mine a little bit funkier.
So is that yours? Okay, that'll be yours.
Okay.
And if you can pass me some of that hot stuff.
Perfect. All right, so yeah, we got some fun stuff here. We got like hot Asian sauce, we got soy sauce, we got Worcestershire. I've even heard of people putting in like beef stock.
I do that.
Yeah.
I'm picky with my Bloody Marys. I like them very salty. I don't like them sweet at all.
Right.
So I don't like it just the tomato sauce. So
I'll go for the sweet.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, there we go.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. We also have grilled cheese. So I mean, you can't have a tomato soup without a grilled cheese, right?
Oh my gosh. Well, I would imagine you have some crazy wedding stories.
You know what? I do. I think the best part about a wedding is the community, like the family feel of it, the time before. I mean, it's a party, yeah, but you don't want it to be like a 3-hour party. You want it to be like a 3-day party that you can just celebrate all those memories with your family and your friends.
Right, I don't even know what I'm putting in here, but I'm just putting it all in. I'm talking.
I'm gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire.
Okay.
And I'm weird and a sodium freak, so I'm gonna do some soy sauce.
Okay. I don't usually put Worcestershire, but I'm just putting it all in. Okay.
A lot of people will do like a seafood version, so you can do like some Old Bay seasoning. You can put some crab, shrimp. I love to do bacon, just some caramelized brown sugar bacon that you can bake in the oven. Oh wow. Yep.
So did you make that?
I did.
Do I have to put it in the Bloody Mary?
Don't sue me
can I
if
just
you
have
get
it?
sick.
Can I just eat this?
Yes. Yeah. You gotta get all the fat in there.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. Celery for stirring.
I'm just chewing.
All right, so I'm gonna dig into all these different options. So we got some cheese.
So how do you come up with these donuts? Do people put donuts in their
Oh no,
Marys?
I mean people go and they'll make like a tower out of their drink. I don't know, I mean it's not necessarily about mixing it all together. It's more about just the fun of like while you're sitting around, you can have a meal on a stick.
I love these blue
cheese?
Bluefish. Blue cheese.
Yeah, the blue cheese
I
stuff.
haven't even had my Bloody Mary yet.
Those are so good.
Did you make these?
No.
If you just said yes, I would have believed you.
Why?
That's true. You're a good person. Put some cheese on there. Maybe I'll just eat the cheese. Here's my problem. I would eat the bar before I made it into the Bloody Mary.
I've gotten like 6 sticks going on here just putting it up. Here you go.
So now I have a question. If there are people that are not fond of the Bloody Mary, or don't want to risk scaring themselves, what do you suggest?
You know what? There are so many great options for brunch type, cocktails. So a great one that I love is like a screwdriver. So we can do vodka and orange juice.
And I like that because you have the vodka already,
right?
And you've got the orange juice, and it's very healthy. You got vitamin C.
Yeah. You could also do mimosas, tequila sunrise.
Ooh, tequila sunrise. I like that.
Yeah, I do too. That's a great.
That's like an old school drink.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You get the cranberry and you get the orange juice. All the benefits. I'm gonna go for one of these grilled cheeses.
Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah, we're gonna make this like a party.
Do we need a bigger glass?
We'll probably need another.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
All right, look at that.
I gotta get some potato wedges. Oh yeah. So it's really fun because you can, it's hilarious, but you also have like an entire meal.
And it's a tasty treat.
I actually need a drink.
Well, thank you so much for teaching me how to do this. We're gonna have a few drinks, and the next segment is gonna be very interesting, so you don't want to miss it.
More interesting than this one.
After these. Cheers.
Cheers.